reminded me in many ways of Rutger Hauer's character in the film Blade Runner, if anyone has seen that, the 1982 Ridley Scott film. So Rutger Hauer, who actually a lawyer he just passed away last summer, so I'm also thinking of him because of this, he plays one of the androids in that movie who Harrison Ford is after, and he's at the end of his rope at the top of the Bradbury building in Los Angeles, and he knows that the time has come. He's about to be decommissioned. He's about to die, and he has this wonderful monologue where he looks back on his life and the things he's seen in it. And what he says in that monologue is, all those moments will be lost in time, like tears in the rain, time to die. Sayed, to my mind, throughout this poem, is doing very much the same thing, very melancholic poem. It's a very nostalgic poem. And he does this not just here, but throughout all of his poetry, or much of it, that is, by engaging with the primary mythic core of modernism, this cycle of death and rebirth, and its relevance for the experience of modernism. For several years after this poem